Welcome to the product overview of McAfee Endpoint Upgrade Assistant and Upgrade Automation. The purpose of this extension is to help you upgrade to McAfee Endpoint Security or ENS by using the Upgrade Automation package. With a single deployment, the package will automatically migrate endpoints to your selected version of ENS by removing legacy products, upgrading McAfee Agent, and installing ENS. Based on your selection, Upgrade Automation will either keep ENS compatible versions of McAfee products or upgrade them to the recommended version. After installing the extension, the Upgrade Automation package is checked into all three EPO branches. EUA can be found under the software section of the main EPO drop-down menu. Once EUA is launched, you can select the ENS version you wish to analyze. If you wish to check operating system compatibility, please select the Check McAfee Product Compatibility link. The system tree allows you to select a subset of your environment. This can reduce the time required to perform the assessment, which can take a few minutes depending on the size of the EPO database and number of endpoints being analyzed. On the Overview tab, we show the McAfee products that are present in your selected environment. To make it easier to view this information, we group product versions into upgrade readiness categories. Some product versions will be ready to upgrade immediately, while others will require some manual tasks before they are ready to upgrade. The Environment Overview table categorizes all endpoints in the selected environment. These details can be viewed and then exported using the provided links. It is possible to hide the unmanaged systems from the table and pie chart by unchecking the Show Unmanaged Systems checkbox. It is recommended that you install the latest versions of McAfee products that have the most up-to-date security solution. However, you can elect to remain on compatible versions of McAfee Agent and McAfee Host Intrusion Prevention by using the checkboxes shown in the McAfee Agent and McAfee Host Intrusion Prevention tables. After making changes to the endpoints, you should use the Reanalyze Environment button to refresh the tabs to reflect these changes. If you want to go back to the start page of EUA, then click the Start Over button. The Prepare tab lists software packages and their versions that are required by Upgrade Automation. This tab also draws your attention to the important fact that you must perform ENS policy migration before executing Upgrade Automation. A View Branch drop-down menu is provided so you can choose which branch you want to deploy the Upgrade Automation package from. Inconsistencies are highlighted in red and show products that require your attention before proceeding with an upgrade. After checking in the recommended version, click the Reload Client Package Branch button, which refreshes information only on the Prepare tab without reanalyzing your selected environment. The Upgrade tab shows you endpoints that are already eligible for Upgrade Automation and endpoints that require manual tasks to make them eligible for Upgrade Automation. The Upgrade Automation summary shows you this breakdown by endpoints. To create a deployment task that will automatically migrate endpoints to ENS, click the Create Deployment Task button where you can configure the Upgrade Automation deployment task. By default, all endpoints that are applicable for Upgrade Automation are selected in the System table. If you wish to execute Upgrade Automation on a subset of endpoints, you can do the following. Change the system type selection or select endpoints individually. The current branch is selected by default. You will need to change this if you are deploying the Upgrade Automation package from the evaluation or previous branch. There is a checkbox to allow you to keep versions of McAfee Agent that are compatible with ENS, and the checkbox to allow you to keep McAfee Host Intrusion Prevention, in which case ENS Firewall will be disabled. Before saving the task, you must acknowledge that you have completed the migration of legacy custom policies and client tasks. On clicking the Save button, you will be presented with a summary of Upgrade Automation actions. To proceed with the deployment, click OK. When the deployment starts to execute, the endpoint will download the Upgrade Automation, MA, DLP, and ENS packages. The Upgrade Automation logic will verify that no conflicting products exist on the machine. At this point, if conflicting products are found, for example Deep Defender, the endpoint upgrade automation will terminate migration of the endpoint to ENS. When conflicting products are not present on the endpoint upgrade automation will then continue and verify that the MA, DLP, and ENS versions are correct as per the reference configuration. If possible, local security policies will be migrated. It will remove legacy products from the machine, upgrade MA and DLP, and install ENS 10.2.1 or later. The endpoint migration is now complete and the status will be reported to EPO for the admin to view. Legacy products include VSC and HIPS. To track the status of upgrade automation, you can use the Track tab. On the Track tab, all the deployment tasks that were created from within EUA will be listed so you can see their status. If you would like to see the upgrade history of your entire system, then use the View Upgrade History link. Endpoints that are currently not eligible for upgrade automation can be tagged to perform manual tasks to make them eligible. Endpoints are grouped based on their McAfee product, and it is also possible to get a further breakdown when multiple versions of the product are present. This ensures tagging is possible at the product level or version level. When tagging, you are given the option to provide a custom name, description, and select the system type. If you do not wish to use upgrade automation, click on the View Manual Upgrade Instruction link. If you choose the Manual Upgrade option, keep the following in mind. Upgrade automation will not be used. Less endpoints will be applicable for ENS migration. More manual steps will be required for the endpoint to be upgraded to ENS. To review the results of EUA analysis outside of the tool, queries are generated and updated automatically with every analysis done. Table and chart queries will allow system administrators to create new or extend existing PDF reports. To get these, we simply click the main EPO drop-down menu, and under Reporting we find Queries and Reports. Then under Shared Groups we find the Endpoint Upgrade Assistant. Here we find the list of queries and reports generated by EUA. Another alternative is to export system and product details that will produce a detailed CSV report. This concludes the Endpoint Upgrade Assistant and Upgrade Automation demonstration. Thank you for your time.